Sapang health pa rin. Panoorin natin itong isang pinuntahang event, ang World Rare Disease Day sa MOA. Dito lang yan sa special feature.
Hilig ko po mag-drawing.
I am a mother of a child with a rare disease called Rett syndrome. My daughter is 13 years old and her name is Julia. Although she cannot talk and she cannot walk, she's always have this happy disposition in life. She's always happy, she goes out a lot, and she loves watching TV too, and she likes some toys just like other kids do.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Ipinagdiriwang tuwing huling araw ng Pebrero ang World Rare Disease Day. At sa pangunguna ng Philippine Society for Orphan Disorders, ito ay ginunita para sa ating mga kababayang Pilipinong mayroong mga hindi kilala, madalang at kadalasan ay wala pang mga kasagputang karamdaman. Ang rare disease ay tinatawag ding orphan disease sapagkat
orphan disease is synonymous to rare disease. They use the term orphan because they are not known to the general public, and little is known about the disease. Even some medical practitioners know about the disease but not seeing them very often.
masasabing rare ang sakit sa pamamagitan ng iba't ibang kadahilanan. Maaaring ito ay genetic, multiple disability sa pisikal o internal na pangangatawan, at kadalasan ay wala pang mga gamot o solusyon.
In the Philippines, a rare disease is considered rare if it is one or less than one in every 20,000.
Ng mga anak namin ito na may karamdaman.
Sa pagdiriwang nito ay nagsagawa ng panalangin para sa mga kabataang may rare disease, candle lighting, at nagsilbing worry-free day ito para sa kanila.
All over the world, we all celebrate Rare Disease Day. This is to drum up worldwide awareness for rare disease because all the countries experience the same thing, that they are not known, that sector is not known, and we all need help, no? And the only way to get help is to create high visibility.
Mahalagang mayroong ganitong mga gawain upang makapagbigay suporta at kamalayan tayo sa mga kabataan at magulang na nakakaranas ng rare diseases. Kaya lagi nating isagawa ang slogan na I Care for Rare.